long trip.
We start our journey along the Maribyrnong River Trail. It doesn't start here, it actually starts at Yarraville, right on the Docklands Highway, and is a distance from Essendon Station.
Low bridge ahead. Oh, here comes another one. Dodge!
The Maribyrnong River Trail runs alongside the Maribyrnong River with some power lines and a couple of road bridges. Most of the trail is surrounded by parklands and trees, and for a couple of kilometres there is this footbridge which takes you to the other side of the river. There are, however, two bicycle paths, one paved and the other dust. They are useful to dodge oncoming pedestrians.
Oh, there's a canoeing going on.
For a couple of meters, the path cuts through this car park and stops at this street, where you can ride downhill and cross the road. After the busy road and the boathouse, the path runs alongside a street and then to a playground in Parkland. It then stops abruptly at the Afton Street pedestrian bridge, where you have to turn right.
Slow down. Down we go,
After leaving Afton Street and going up a zigzag hill, we come across a street and a reserve, where you can see the entire western suburbs. down another zigzag, there is a path junction and an underpass which takes you along Steel Creek. I turned left, where I came across an unpaved path.
Concrete path ends. Oh, there's...
Going up a steep hill, it is very tiring when there is a lot of wind, but as soon as you go down the hill, there is another zigzag, and on a bicycle, it's quite dangerous.
Oh shit. There we go.
After the street bridge, the unpaved path becomes surrounded by forests, which gives you a natural vibe. But after a couple of kilometers, you come across this train bridge. After the train bridge, there is another path which takes you up and down the Western Ring Road. We have now entered a huge park where there are a lot of paths. If you find a ford on your left and want to enjoy your bicycle trip a lot more, please turn left away from the path.
Down I go. Total. Instead. What the hell, I'm going to in the grass instead. fucking remember. The sunrise was on.
After cutting through streets and riding on an edgy path, we come across another road intersection. Going through a park and past a couple of lakes, we come across another major road where you will find a shopping centre and a train station on the other side.